Hello to all of my angels. I am having quite a fit this morning trying to get anything filming. I don't know what is going on with my stuff. Everything decided I think it just had an overload yesterday with Super Sunday. So this morning, I am doing Feeling Good, and the request was from at George33631. So I'll make sure to give you a shout out up here. Unlike what I did for one of my other ones that I said I would do it up there, and I did not. And thank you to James for shouting me out again. I'm also going to put you up in the corner, even though no one puts baby in the corner. I'm going up there. Yeah. And it was only me going back and watching the clip just to be able to add this snapshot up here and seeing the feedback if there's anything I can work on. And yeah, if I hadn't watched that, I would have known that I did not put my other shout out up in the box. I just pointed at nothing, which looked super awkward. But that's me. I do that. So today we're doing Feeling Good. I am very excited. It was a super request, and I've got a couple of them that I'm hoping to put out today. So hopefully they'll be loading up while I'm working. And we're going to get started. So, all right.
Birds flying high. Birds flying high. You know how I
feel. Music. Oh.
Sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Oh my God. Yes. Yes.
Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Oh, I love this music with her.
Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace one day done, that's what I mean. And this whole world is a new world, and this whole world for me. And I'm feeling shine,
Won't be difficult today. It is throat.
Birds fly
Oh my
in the
God.
high.
I am struggling today. Whew. Okay. I'm going to be fumbling all day, I have a feeling. Oh my goodness, her vocals. Every song I've heard, and I mean, I'm still at the beginning. I'm still at the very, very beginning. Every song I have heard from her, I'm sitting here listening to it. I'm like, at that age, I would have sat and listened through an entire concert. It could be 3 hours, it would not matter. I would sit for an entire concert for a 10-year-old. Like, her vocals are so soulful and so mature and so just sultry, and the production that goes with her, it absolutely just feels like she is just sitting in a jazz bar like this, with the velvet couches and everyone's sipping their little cocktails and everything, and then she's just there, this like beautiful old soul. It's so incredible to listen to. Like, I absolutely adore her. I want to thank George for recommending this song. I'm going to try to get your double feature out today. So I've got the second one coming, and again, another favorite of mine. So I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, I was getting great feedback on possibly doing the box idea. I what I did love, I will say, I got feedback about doing like a little bit more of her chronological order and then going to the box. So my thought with that was, let's do like maybe a highlight reel, and I'll do double features for the 10-year span. So we're going to look at 10 years till now, till 20, and let's do some double features. And I won't like push them out, push them out, push them out. I'm thinking like maybe one a day. We'll do some double features. And so that means like in 10 days, we'll have done the double features. And then within that 10 days, I will be preparing myself to do a live. And on the live, we'll start writing song requests down to go in the box. And that will become our flow. So let's just see if everyone, like, how you guys feel about that. Again, absolutely leave it in the comments, but I love the idea that people were throwing out about like still doing some of the chronological order just to see her growth first, and then we can like randomize and have fun with it, because we've got so many songs to play with. Like, it's going to be amazing to be able to do that anyway. So if you guys like that idea, bump it up, let me know, give me the thumbs up. If you have any other suggestions also, like I really am trying to like stay up on the comments. I'm doing my best, trying to respond. I literally try to reply to everybody. So you guys have taken your time to listen to me and reach out. I can take my time to reply, and and I'm being extremely genuine. I'm not doing copy and paste comments. You guys are getting like real comments. Like, I'm really trying to read everything. I love the long descriptions and the stories, and like things about her, like facts about her. It's absolutely incredible. It keeps me from having to go dig around. Boring Google. Let's do that. So I'm gonna delete that out. Yeah, so I love, I'd much prefer it to hear from you guys than to just have to go dig around for, fun facts. So it's way more interesting this way. So I'm appreciating all the feedback. Again, thank you, James. I'm gonna give you a shout out one more time. I will actually put you up here. And yeah, I definitely need to reach out to you about, hopefully, I don't know if you can even private message on YouTube. So if not, yeah, we need to talk so I can get better at doing, like, know how to do the live stuff. I've been trying to watch some videos, but I think I'm more intimidated about being on the spot. So we'll see. Anyway, I appreciate everybody. Yeah, to all of my angels, to all the supporters, and goodness gracious, to Angelina. Just absolutely incredible yet again. All right, I'll say until next time.